So if you're facing problem of spell check not working in Microsoft Word, here's the solution video for it. So first of all, what you can simply do, you need to go to the review option on the left upper side. So select the review, and then from here you need to select the language option. All right, then tap on set proofing language. Select that one, and then from here you'll probably see this option called do not check spelling or grammar. So you need to uncheck it like that, and now on the spelling will be checked. All right, and make sure that your preferred language is set in English or any other language. Most probably you will see the English right over here. So select that one and simply tap on OK. All right, and then again you need to go to the left upper side, which is on the file tab. Go there, and then from here you need to select the options. All right, then again guys, you need to select this proofing option on the left, then scroll it down until you find these two options. Hide spelling errors in this document only, you need to uncheck it, and also you need to uncheck the last one, which is hide grammar errors in this document only. All right, then hit on OK and you are probably good to go. So that's how you can simply fix the problem of spelling check not working in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.